If you're trying to find a genuine Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will explain how to get the best possible deal. Hostinger is currently offering discounted pricing across all of its plans. When you open my link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also receive an extra 20% discount, along with 3 additional months. In this Hostinger review, you get strong website performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder. And if the prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. The prices will update instantly. Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting platforms, and every plan also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 extra months, just tap the link below or scan the QR code.